Cameron from Affordable Comfort. I'm Service Manager. Today we're going to talk about the Trane Whole House Electronic Air Cleaner. We're going to talk about the basic components of this air cleaner, as well as you, the homeowner, how to maintain it. The basic components are the power door, the pre-filter, the field charger, and the collection cells. Before you maintain this unit, you must first discharge the power door. To do this, basically you want to hold the power button until the countdown sequence is complete. You'll know it's complete when the lights go off. Then you can unplug the electrical harness. You are then free to go inside the electronic air cleaner and remove the components. The first component you should remove is the pre-filter. This pre-filter should be checked monthly. Everyone's home is different, and some people have more dust than others. The other component you have to remove comes in two pieces. It's the collection cells. You have to clean these as well. It is recommended that you take both the pre-filter and collection cells outside. That way you don't reintroduce dust inside the home. To clean these components, you have to use a vacuum and vacuum from top to bottom, side to side. It's not recommended to wash it and then put it back in when it's wet. This would be a hazard. The other component, the field charger, should not be removed. Only a qualified technician shall service the field charger. After you're done vacuuming the pre-filter and collection cells, you are then ready to reinstall the components. Once you put the components in, you should make sure that the airflow indicator matches the indicator on the top of the air cleaner. Putting the power door back on should be easy. After the components are reinstalled and the airflow indicators are matching, put the power door back on and reattach the electronic assembly. After you've reinstalled the pre-filter and collection cells and made sure that the airflow indicators match, reinstall the power door and reattach the electrical harness. You are now free to power the unit back up. Thank you for joining us for this YouTube video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any issues, call us at Affordable Comfort. Thanks.